Hello guys, today I'm going to show you about how to cook a yummy food. This food is very popular and it is my traditional food in my village. So now I have noodle, bitter melon, pork, chili and also green vegetables. So if you guys want to know how to make this food so please watch my video until the end. And if you guys think that my video are necessary to you, so please help me to subscribe my channel YouTube. So now start to cook it with me. This garlic, then this is our pork. So now we start to cut our pork step by step. We cut it like this. Then this is our noodle. We mix our noodle with our pork. So now we start to mix our pork noodle and some ingredients first. This we call noodle, pork, garlic, sugar, salt, SMG, soup salt, pepper. Then we start to mix. This I add a lot of noodle because noodle is my favorite and I really like it, so I add a lot. For people who don't like so much, so we add just a little. We don't forget to add our chili to be more delicious. So this chili, this our bitter melon. We have 3 bitter melons. So now we start to take the outside of bitter melon to add our noodle and pork instead. Take the inside of it like this. Do like this on our bitter melon. We boil our bitter melon to reduce the dirty and reduce the bitter of our bitter melon. Boil it like this. Boil it maybe 3 minutes. After 3 minutes later, it's enough, so we take it out. This is our noodle and our pork that we already made some ingredients already. So now we start to add our pork and noodle into our bitter melon. Add like this. So now we start to cook. First we add water. Then we add our bitter melon. Then we add some ingredient on our soup. We add the second time this SMG, salt, sugar, then pepper, then we continue to cook it until it's already cooked. So now it's nearly to be already cooked, so we add our green onion. It's already cooked, so we can eat. Wow, it looks like so yummy. Eat with me, everyone. Wow, just eat waters, but it is really yummy. It's really hot. It's so good that it's just my tasting, but it is yummy. Wow. Everyone can do it by follow my video from the start until the end. It's really easy to cook. It just have simple ingredients. So now I think it is the time to say goodbye. But everybody, please help me to subscribe my channel YouTube if you think my channel and necessary to you. So now let me say goodbye, everyone. Goodbye. Thanks you for watching my video and for support me by subscribe. Goodbye.